Hello, this is Cindy Shelton. I was just going to try to address your question and walk you through the specific questions you asked me on my email. I hope this helps, but if not, you feel free to give me a call. I'll be in my office the next half an hour or so, but then I'll be back in my office this afternoon. And you can look at my syllabus for when I'm in my office, but feel free to call me anytime. My number is 606-326-2097. All right, so from our website, you go to your Blackboard shell, click on our class. You're in my 110 online class, and then where you actually get to your homework and your book and stuff is through MyLabs Plus. The book is in the MyLabs Plus link. So you've got to click on that, then it's going to open in a different window, and it should just pop up for you. If for some reason it does not, there may be something on your computer you have to update, some sort of flash player or something that makes the book pop open. So I can help you with that too, or there's a tech support number you can call as well. But okay, so mine has popped open here, and then yours is going to look just a little different than my view as an instructor, but it should be similar. But there is something down the side tabs that says ebook or chapter contents. I've tried to rename it to be a more obvious link that it's where the book is, where the book lives, but it is one of your tabs down through there. So if you kind of look around through your side tabs, you are going to find your ebook. And you may, again, have to click a little bit to get that fully open, but it should pop up and look like this. And then you can click which chapter you want and click through it that way, so you don't have to go page by page, or you can pick a page up in here as well. So we start with section 1.1. So I want you to take notes before you start homework problems. So I do want you to find that book and look in that. That's one way to take notes. The other way, if I take you back to the tabs here, is when you click on your assignments or your homework, it's going to be labeled homework or assignments. You can also read the book from that tab. I've got them labeled here as well. Now, of course, the first assignment is for you to do your syllabus. So your syllabus quiz, and it has a due date. Again, you ask about the due dates. Oops, I didn't mean to click on that. So I'm just going to raise this. But anyway, the due date is listed here in this column, next to the last column. It tells you when things are due. I've messed up my view here, haven't I? But the first thing due is it's going to be your syllabus quiz. So I want you to take that first. And I just need to fix that, don't I? I may just need to start over for you. But your syllabus quiz is up first. So you want to take your syllabus quiz, and it has a due date of this Friday. So take that as many times as you need to get 100% on that. And then you'll go to your homework is 1.1. 1.1 is the first assignment. You'll click on that, and it'll look something like this. You'll get 3 tries on each assignment or each problem. You can go to your question help and get the textbook pages there too. So the textbook is in multiple places actually. It's clickable in multiple places, but the full textbook is that one tab I mentioned. So that is due actually 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 5.6 in the first quiz over that. Those are all, the first big due date is the 28th of January. And to also answer your question about how do you submit it, it automatically submits to me. As soon as you answer a question and you get your green check mark, it'll say good job. I'm seeing that immediately. So there's nothing like you have to scan or submit. It just automatically does it through this program. And then there's also the, I've got these things out of order now, but I think it's at the bottom, the chapter 1 notes. You'll notice the due dates, which might kind of confuse you because the due dates there are all the end of the semester, basically. I wanted your notes to be open all semester for you to be able to go back and review if you needed to. But that's just, again, another place you can look at your book. When you open that, it's the book's PowerPoints and some videos. Different sections have more or less stuff in there, but that's really more book stuff. Another place where you can learn the material before you start the homework. And again, I want you to take notes whenever you click on that. 5.6 is just one little section we do out of chapter 5. I know it seems sort of out of order, but your chapter 1 notes, those are the first 3 sections. It's a short chapter. Then you do 5.6 read through those notes and then do the related homework on those, and then you'll take a quiz. Again, 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and 5-6 are your homework assignments. And then quiz 1 is the quiz over those. And those are all due. The first big assignment is the 28th of January. All right, hope this helps. Give me a phone call if not.